is inside that Quick Circuit 5000 circuit board plotter. As you can see, it's pretty well compact in there. It's got a lot of stuff in there. This is the circuit board that I made. It's a power supply. Feeds 12 volts to the fans, and it's going to feed 5 volts to the light that's on the z-axis. This power supply here came from a Dell. It's a 19 volt. It comes up about 20 volts, and it powers this 3-axis CNC controller here. Of course, these are the stepper controllers, and so I've got the 20 volts running from here to this board here, and I've got 20 volts on these regulators. One's a 5 volt and another one's a 12 volt, and so I had to pull all this out here, clean it, re-lube it. And let me see. Let me get a light here where you see something. That board there, I had to make that board because it didn't come with the machine. I had to make that board and fed these cables all down through here. This ribbon cable here, it connects here, and it comes back up and comes out right here. That's where the computer hooks to it. This is where I feed 110 volts to this power supply right here to turn it on, and this is another power supply that runs the that's one of the power supplies that runs the spindle up there. But took a long time to build this thing. This wire here, this wire right here, it comes up through here, and you got a jack right here, and that's got a little probe that I set on the circuit board material, and that's where I can zero the z-axis. These came with limit switches, but I don't use limits. I just make sure I know where the machine is. But, that's about it. Now the 5 volts comes out here on a gray wire, and it comes into the relay, and across the relay contacts it comes out, and it goes to this board here, which runs through this ribbon cable, which runs, there's a little cable here, and it runs up to here. Of course, these are just test wires here that I've got, but I had to mill that board there to change some stuff on it. But I got a piece of glass on there so I can get absolutely flat on the circuit board. And this thing sure does do a good job, man, I'm telling you. Okay, make another video later. All right.